Hello mga Repa Peeps! Welcome to another episode of Lolo Techie Channel. And in today's episode, it's a paint day. So we're going to use sandpaper 240. Wet sand it. Para yung mga uneven surface niya is magpantay-pantay. Then we're going to use 1000 grit sandpaper. So, alisin natin itong para mas mabilis siya pinturahan pag wala itong foot peg. Kasi itong portion ng fender, yung parang brace niya, kinalawang na siya, so we have to remove muna yung kalawang. Ito na mga Repa Peeps, ready na ang ating mga parts to repaint. It's another day today mga Repa Pips. It's a paint day. So nandito tayo sa labas ngayon. Gumawa ako ng maliit na paint booth. So sa gilid ng bahay gumawa ako ng kapal para hindi madumihan yung paint natin. So ready na yung mga panel. So the next thing na gagawin natin is to degrease this panel using alcohol. The more percent na solution, the more na mas maganda siya para mag-degrease. So ito lang available natin. So ito yung gagamitin natin, 2 degrees first, and then let's go to the painting. So kuha tayo ng microfiber towel.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.
So since meron naman siyang paint, hindi natin kailangan ng base coat. So diretso tayo sa first coat. So ang gagamitin natin is itong samurai metallic black. So first coat is light even pink. Okay, let's start it. Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and okay, let's go for the third and final coat. Ito na, marepa yung kinalabasan ng ating third and final coating. So as you can see, clear naman siya, malinis, walang mga dumi dahil sa naglagay tayo ng protection to sa mga alikabok. So I think hindi na natin kailangan liyain to before na mag final coat since even naman yung pagkakapaint natin. So ayan, kita nyo naman. So hindi ko na siya iliyain ulit for the clear coat. Okay, para sa ating clear coat, we're going to use Samurai 2K01. So buksan natin siya. So ang paggamit niya is tatanggalin natin tong cover and then turn it upside down. Then kailangan i-press natin to. Kailangan i-press natin to bumaon doon para mag-activate yung hardening niya. Okay, press natin, then press. So after natin ma-press na to sa pinaka ano niya, dulo, shake natin for about 2 minutes. next na i-repaint natin is yung rear set. So same process lang siya. I-decrease natin and then first coat, second coat, third coat, and then yung clear coat. But this time, iba yung gagamitin natin paint. This time you're going to use silver ng same brand Samurai paint. Okay, so decrease muna natin and then first, second, and third coating. then clear coat. Third and final coating sa ating roof set. And since one time use lang itong clear coat, within 24 hours hindi mo na siya magagamit. So marami pa tayong natira na pinitin na rin natin dun sa reset. Okay mga repa, ang next natin i-repaint itong frame. So this pang default color niya is red. So we're going to use silver gray. Of course, same method or same steps. Third and final coat. Ito na mga repa ang final result after na matuyo. Ito naman nagpa-glossy, makaganda na pagkaka-paint. Wala nang sanding na ginawa, basta malinis na, walang hindi siya maalikabukan. So konting bapping na lang yan. So dinidilit ko sa araw para paint tuyo. Ito na mga repa yung repaint natin. Kaya assemble na natin siya. Ito na mga repa,